Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl Magnetic Jessie. Do not mind the ensemble. It is late at night and I'm eating. I'm gonna upload this in the morning. I have lobster tail. Again, I'm just gonna get right to it. I have shrimp and mussels because this is what I was craving. Again, I'm just going to get right to it. Okay, let's see what this is in here. I know it's bibs. I'm not going to use the bib. Glove. Oh, they have a couple of gloves. I'll use the glove. Alright. What else did I order? What is this? Corn? They put it like this. Usually they put it. Let me taste it. No. I'm gonna have to dip it. What is this? Come on. Look how they have it all broken. Is this the collard green? Yeah, collard green. With a fork. I'm just going. That's delicious. And then macaroni. Garlic macaroni. That's why I got it. Let me put this bag over here. Did they put any fork or anything? No. I don't feel like going in the kitchen, so. It's gonna be a finger meal. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the corn, I'm gonna put it in the bag with the lobster tail. I'll just put 2. And yeah. Okay, messages. I think my phone is still on silent, so it won't vibrate. Okay, so since they didn't do right by me with the corn, hopefully it'll stay focused, the camera. I put it inside the sauce with the lobster tail. Let's see. See, got sauce on it. Much better. Now here go lobster tail. Fuck. Can you tell I'm hungry? I was gonna get crab, like snow crab, but I really wanted some meat, so very good. Nice and spicy. Very delicious. I don't know what's the point of me having gloves on. Okay. Okay. Got some macaroni. That garlic macaroni. It's alright. So delicious. I know. I like ginger ale. That's really the only soda I drink. And yeah, I'm drinking out of his mine. That's what I want. Today I went to the spa. The guy who massaged my back did a really good job. The person who did my sister back did a real good job. To the point she got bruises. She got bruises on her back. Talk about deep tissue. Oh my god. This lobster tail was everything. Can I tell you everything? I should have ate it last, but this is what I wanted. Really bad. So delicious. I gotta sit with my back straight. Damn, no more. Lobster tail. Okay. So good. I'm mad they gave the corn like that. And that's because I'm too lazy to go in the kitchen. You know what? I can leave it on. No. Yeah. I got corn in my teeth. Wow. I'm gonna switch bags. Oh. This is a lot. I mean, I know I should be showing the food, but I ordered a new camera, so I'm tasting the macaroni without having like the meat in my mouth. Galactic now. There goes some shrimp. I'm a Scorpio, guys. What is your sign? That's one question I ask everybody. Is like, what is your sign? I'm not like deep into the zodiac where it's like, what's your moon and your stars and your rising and all of that. Just the main, and I could like generalize and be like, you're X, Y, and Z. Sometimes when I even get into a relationship or talking to a guy or whatever, I look to see like, what does the, I don't like how this is all oily. I'll use this dipping. Yeah. I should have put a pillow on my back. This mussel. What's up with these people tonight? They don't really make my food the way they're supposed to. Been thinking about getting a breast reduction, guys. Been really thinking about it. Back pain. If I do, I may record the journey. But yeah. Delicious. Delicioso. Look at my phone. I'm like, should I eat with my hands? I already started with the gloves, so some people like with the gloves. Some people, a lot of people like it without, but they should come out with like a mukbang foodie talk show channel. I was telling someone that the other day. That would be so awesome. I have a feeling that's going to be a lot of people's favorite one. That was a little one. But like, yeah. That massage that I went to today, it was like much needed. Look, I had to go into this bag just to get the sauces. Delicious. Oh my gosh, guys. is not overpowering the sound. Like as in me talking. I had a crazy week. If you hear talking, that's all the way in the kitchen. I don't even know. Because sometimes I record and then I would hear, and they're all the way in the kitchen. The kitchen is not even right there. Shrimp. I'm already getting full. I'm already getting full. I'ma just save the rest. As like breakfast or something. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I need another one because these shrimps are really good today. So the lobster tail did for me, and the shrimp. The macaroni was, I wouldn't order it again. The collard green was, I would not order that again. It was just too much. I think they put lemon in it. There's too much going on. Like, I've had it before, but I actually had it a couple times at a different location one. But look at that fat shrimp. Look at that fat shrimp. Okay. I think I'm done for the night. I shouldn't be eating late anyway. I'll be uploading this in the morning. Right now it's like about 10, I believe, 11 at night. I really shouldn't be eating this, but I was craving it, so I'm like, you know what? Let me just buy it and talk to you guys about it. Look at that, look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna start doing with people. I know I have to still get my sister. Our schedule is just like, I got a couple people. I'm gonna do that with. So hopefully they can bring their burp on, because you cannot come and eat with me and be all conservative. Speaking of conservative, that's the next time I record. I'm gonna talk about this dude who about the word conservative. I'm not into conservative. Yeah, I need you to have your hair down. You know what I mean? Alright. I'm crazy. I don't expect you to be crazy, but be down to earth. You know what I mean? But yeah, I still have a lot. Okay. Don't mind my underarm. Well, human is hairy, and this is the sauce I was dipping it into. But yeah, let me drink some. Again, don't mind the wall. You know. I'm sorry, but I got a lot on my mind. Look at that, it just squirt on my chest. I typically like this colder. Colder? Is that a word? Colder? You know how like you say a word and it doesn't sound like a word? Or even if you writing something and then in the writing, when you're writing a word, you're like, oh, is this spelled right? Because it just looks weird, but then you check to see, you Google it, you talk the word in your phone nowadays, you know, with technology, and you be like, oh, okay, it is spelled right, it just look weird. Why does it look weird? Yeah. So is colder a word? I typically like my beverage cold, super cold. Colder than what it is. More cold? More cold. They tell you in school, don't say more, right? You guys see how my mind just like wanders? And how I talk and 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 talk. I think the next one I want to do like a fruit mukbang. Fruits. Different fruits. Fruits that I never had before. And see if I like it. Ooh, I feel like a bird is coming. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, y'all can give suggestions too. Someone suggested the Haitian one, and I am Haitian, so I did it. Someone who watches, it was like, you do Chinese food or you can do Haitian food. And I'm like, I don't eat Chinese food because, you know, they have the MSG and every time I eat it I get sick. Maybe if I eat the Chinese food that they eat, then that would be good. I went to like Chinatown today. Not Chinatown, Chinatown, Brooklyn, right? And I'm like, yo, I should go to one of the stores that they're eating in and order something. But everything is in like Chinese. I wouldn't understand. What if they give me their own special, like, you know, food in the bag or something and they don't want to give it to me? Give me what they eat. That's what I want. I want to eat what you guys eat. Why, you know? Because you go to the Chinese store, they serve you whatever the food. But they're not eating it. They're eating like sticky rice. I don't know if I would want sticky rice. But they're eating, you know, different things. And they typically don't gain weight. I'm like, look at me. I'm pretty voluptuous. Thick. BBW. People like, no, you're not that big. I mean, I was bigger, but not like OD. But who cares? Like, I find big people very attractive. I love looking at a big woman walking down the street and her makeup is done nice, or her face is flawless, with or without makeup. And then they're dressed all nice and back straight, confident. I love that. Anyway, I'm talking like way too much. You see how it's going on? I should have been doing that when I was doing this food, but it's whatever. Yeah, can you tell I could probably talk by myself, to myself? The next one will be more burps. I know you guys like a lot of burps, but the next one I promise will be more burps. This I didn't expect to record. It was like, you know, last minute. That's why I'm not even, you know, presenting food. But I did order a new camera. So let's see how that panels out. And I had to order a new, like, mic. So, as you hear, a kid is talking a lot. Not mine, but yeah. It's pretty annoying. Anyway, subscribe, like, comment, talk to me. But yeah, let me X this out. Talk to you guys later. Next Wednesday, I will be posting. I thought that I was actually not going to post today. Well, tomorrow, today, whatever. I was gonna miss this week and just say sorry guys, or put like a brief video like sorry guys, not this week but next week. But yeah, I actually did it. Not actually as in like I ain't gonna do it every Wednesday like I said. Like I'm gonna keep my word. But this week it was just a lot going on. But yeah, subscribe guys.